sewer camera inspection for 9254 West Ravenwood Drive. We're in a backyard clean out. Got a single clean out on the ground. Actually, the clean out cap is broken. It's broken right at the top, so the entry point is below grade, so I would recommend that you install a new clean out cover. New clean out cap to keep the rocks and debris out of that line. Some of the rocks that have already fallen down there because it's been broken. So those rocks might not flush down on their own. You might need to get a company to come in and clear those out. ABS drain pipes. Those connections above are, I gotta go see where that water is coming from. So I have the kitchen sink running right now. I just flushed the toilet. And the dishwasher is running. So there might be a sporadic flush of water from the dishwasher. That looks to be from the kitchen sink. Start going vertical back up, that means we're going up a vent stack up to the roof, so the line looks clear. Like I said, there's a few rocks in there from the drain cap being broken, so those should get cleared out. Rocks right there. So this is the only cleanout that I see in the backyard. So I'm going to try to turn the camera head to go towards the city street. It's going to be a little difficult because of how it goes down into the ground here. I'm looking for another cleanout. I think there should be another cleanout, but I can't find it. It's like right above the camera there, it's another opening. That should be another clean out in the backyard here. I'm going to see if I can find it. City cleanouts here on the back side of the property. Our main cleanouts are over there on the corner of the house. They've got these diagrammed out so I kind of know where the lines are going underground. I know this is pointed back in this direction. Let's see if we can't kind of follow which direction this green line goes. So that line comes through here. It's hard to say where it goes from there. It's got to make its way over to that corner though, and they didn't mark these lines, so I know it comes in through here, probably angles over to that corner. So here's a case of having two cleanouts. I know there's two cleanouts because when I go down here I can see the opening for another cleanout here, but it's so buried I can't find it. The cover for this one's actually broken off. That's been broken off for some time. Got some rocks and debris down in the line, and I can't find that other cleanout cap to get out to the city drain. You gotta make these accessible. You can't bury these things.